You're next in line to make over $100 extra cash after watching today's video. You're going to be so amazed when I say that the extra $100 you're going to be earning is going to be made through watching ads. You're not going to need anything but motivation and this website, which is called What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you're going to be making money online by watching ads. We're going to look at a ton of different methods to make money online by watching ads. And yes, it's super doable in this day and age. It's like you can make money by doing absolutely anything. So if you're looking for a much easier method to make money, extra money, and since it's not going to be a lot of money, have fun and learn about our websites. This is it, and this strategy could be the perfect one for you. We're going to look at 4 different websites where you're going to earn money by watching ads. So please keep on watching and let's get right into it. So to get started with today's video, our first website is going to pay you for clicking and going into different websites. I do have to explain this because as soon as you get into the website, you're going to see a paid option. And this website does allow you to pay and get more ads if you do it that way. However, I don't recommend that because there is a free option to click on ads. So the difference is that there are different amounts of ads that you can click on per day. So if you had the gold membership, which I call it, you're going to just have a lot more ads to click on, make a lot more money. Now, I don't believe in putting your money into websites and getting more ads just so you can earn more. Instead, just click on more ads, reinvest that money as soon as you get paid. That makes more sense to me. So our first website, okay, just works the way that I just explained. It's worldwide available. They play different payment methods, and we're gonna look at that as soon as we get there. So the website that we're looking at right now is called adviv.com. This is what it looks like, and when you land on their homepage, you're gonna come across a page that looks like this. You can tell right away that they claim that it's a unique platform for earning and advertising, implying that people are coming here to advertise. They pay people to watch their various websites, mostly to enhance SEO or search engine optimization. The more a website is viewed, the more Google recognizes it as a good website, and they're going to start promoting and supporting the websites to develop. Now, that's what you're going to be doing here. Now, they have a very simple sign-up process. As soon as you get into their homepage, you're going to click on sign up, and the next step will be registration. So you're going to see a registration form where you're going to enter in your name, your email, your username, your password, and your password again. Then you're going to be able to see the different payouts or payout options. There's no PayPal here since they have Perfect Money and Payeer. You can also end as Bitcoin or Litecoin. As soon as you finish filling out all of that information, you're going to click on I am not a robot. You're going to agree to the attempts and conditions, and then you're going to register your account, and then you're going to go back to your email address because you are going to have to verify it. And it's a legit website. It's low paying, but it's legit, and it's something that you should know. So this job is expected to ask you to do very simple stuff. Right now, I'm on my dashboard. You're going to see my stats, how much I've made, how much I'm making, and so on. And their point system is called BAP, and you can convert it to US dollars as soon as you click on it. 1 BAP is equal to 0.005 in US dollars, and I do recommend that you go to this website to learn more about it so you can decide if you want to sign up and make money by watching ads. Now, I want you to leave a comment down below where you're from, what devices you use, and what your preferred payment method is. In that way, I can focus on that when I make future videos for my lovely subscribers. So let's keep going. Second website is also available worldwide, and it has a lot of payout options like PayPal. This website that we're looking at right now, it's called star-clicks.com, and when you get to the homepage, you're going to notice that they have a lot of different tabs. They have publisher tabs, they have advertiser tabs, and if you want to make money on this platform by viewing ads, then you're going to go to the homepage and click on publishers. So I'm going to show you where you can find more information by scrolling down a bit. As you can see, they say that publishers earn money online and may start working right now and be rewarded. So you're going to publish ads and get paid right away. And another great feature of this website is that you get paid right away. As soon as you do your job. As you can see here, you can be paid via PayPal, bank transfer, and a lot of other methods. To get started, you're going to click here to begin. You're then going to click on publish or sign up to start the sign up process, which is similar to the one we just completed. You're going to fill out all of the information being asked, and they are searching for all of that information as well as your email address, security questions. But I think it's worth it when you join the website, even if it's a little bit lengthy. At least you are going to get there. I'm going to log in and show you what's inside this website. So I'm inside my accounts dashboard, and as you can see, I've done some work on the left. You're going to click on PPC ads here, and they're going to show you the different ads that are available for you to click. As you can see, I've got quite a few, and this is how you can make money on this website, by leaking ads. The next website is going to pay you in crypto. They have their own crypto token that you can use, and then you can exchange for other crypto coins and cryptocurrencies. This is a plugin that you must download and install on your computer. All you have to do, click on an ad that appears on your screen when they come up, and you'll get points for doing so. And this website is called permission.io. And as you can see, they say that data is your most valuable asset, and I couldn't agree with them more. It's time for your chance to shine. So here's the website that's going to pay you to start earning money by clicking on ads on this website or through their plugin. You're going to sign up on the platform. As you can see, you're going to fill out all of the details being asked with my permission, after which you're going to receive content from your favorite bands, watch videos on a daily basis, browse the web, and end while viewing personalized ads. So in terms of the website safety and other information, I think it's best if you go ahead, do your own research, see if it's something that you want to get involved with, and do, because they are collecting information as you browse and using it to serve you relevant ads. So if you're fine with that, then you can sign up for this website. Now, I do believe that I need to point out their sign up procedure. It's super detailed. They are going to require you to give your ID or other forms of identification, like your driver's license, in order to be confirmed on their platform. The reason for this is just so that your safety is assured on the platform, and to ensure that you're doing things correctly and that nobody hacks your account. Now, before you sign up for this platform, because they're going to need it, go check out the platform, explore it, the company behind it. It's amazing. And before we move on to the last one, if you're loving today's video, make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment about what you're loving the most about our video so far. It really helps the channel, and it makes us really happy to know if you do. So just make sure you keep watching, because we're almost done and we're almost gonna start making money like wildfire. So let's continue. Now we'll go on to the last one, although this isn't new. I just think it's amazing, and it's one of the platforms that you can actually make money by clicking on ads, and it is the Current app for iOS, and it's known as the Mode Earn app for the Android. So this app is created for you to make money by listening to music. There's a lot of radio stations inside the platform where you can listen to music all day and earn money that way. However, they do have a feature where you can click to view 30-second ads, and I think it depends on where you are in the world. And yes, you can gain endpoints that you can then convert into cash using this platform's PayPal and cryptocurrency options. And that is pretty much everything. Make sure that you guys do that. Really listen to everything that I just said, and we will see you in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.